Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. I want to talk to you guys about investing smart and doing the right things. Okay, now first things first, whenever you invest in CashApp, right, do not think you're limited to just buying and holding. The number one thing a lot of people do is just buy and hold, and I was one of them. Okay, there's money that could be made quickly, and that's called swing trading. Okay, now previously, okay, Tempus AI is one of those stocks that I invested in. I wanted to day trade it, right? If I would have swing traded this, I would have made over 8%, right, in a matter of a couple or a few days. All right, let's look at what we have here. I bought in at $60, $54 a share. Okay, I sold the same day because I knew my entry wasn't the best, right? And we take a down day, and then within a day, boom, we're up what, 24% on the stock, right? But here's what I want to explain to you guys. What is swing trading? What are long terms? What are short terms? How to really budget and have the best investment portfolio on Cash App, right? Swing trading is basically a short-term investment to sell within a few days for a quick gain. This isn't a long-term investment, right? Something like an ETF, an exchange traded fund, a long-term investment, that is something I'm holding for longer than a year, longer than 2 years. Some people even push this down to retirement. I don't blame them, right? That's what it's made for. Okay, this can over time, this can give you good growth, roughly about 9 to 10%, and that is where your money is quote unquote secured. But meanwhile, while you're waiting on your ETFs, you can make money through a stock like Tempus AI, or you can take the safer route and do something like Walmart and even flip Walmart, right? I invested in Walmart, for example, $80, about right here, April 16. Between 2 weeks, I made 87. So I got about 10 to 9% back on my money, and I sold. That 10 to 9% took me 2 weeks with Walmart. Meanwhile, if it was Tempus AI, a riskier stock, right, it would have taken me just a couple days. Okay, so that is the power of swing trading. That is the power of a riskier investment. But realize you could lose as well as make money. Okay, there's not just winning. You can obviously lose money when you're investing. Now, launch of Olivia AI Health app. Okay, this is why Tempus AI is also such a big stock. Okay, basically the app integrates with devices like Apple Watch, Google Fit, offering features such as clinical history. Okay, the reason why Tempus AI was brought to me was Nancy Pelosi. Okay, Nancy Pelosi is an American politician, and everybody knows how much impact they had on stocks. Trump can move the market up or down within minutes. Jerome Powell can move the market down within minutes. If a politician is behind a stock, right, there's a lot of upside to it. Donald Trump's stock, DJT, for example, there was, back when he was coming into office around November, there was a significant growth in this stock, and people saw a lot of upside to this stock. And even before that, around October, y'all see how this goes up to 51.50, because it's Trump stock. So when you're swing trading a stock like this, you should aim for a profit margin of 10 to 12, 8 to 10, 8 to 12%, because that is where the money is at. As simple as that. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to have safe investments, but I also like to swing trade on the side. Do not get caught up in swing trades. If you hit your stop loss, take the loss and get out of there. Don't hold on to a stock for too long. Then you're just trying to make money back that you lost. Okay, first things first. I understand the position of NVIDIA, right? If you're in a loss like this, I'm in a big loss with NVIDIA. What do? You need to make money. Okay, you need to take in as much profit as you can, make as many smart decisions as you can. As simple as that. Okay, so if we look at stocks like Walmart, Tempus AI, Reality Income. Okay, I have my eyes on these stocks. I'm waiting for Reality Income to break 55, 54 again. It is gonna happen, right? And when that happens, I have money set aside from last month when I sold, which was $75. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more money. 85 to 90, 95, and then try to get another flip to about 95 to $100, because I see where the stock can go, right? The stock can go to high 60s, or at least 58. So that's going to be my profit taking zone next time around. I want to get in at about 53, take my profit at about 83. 58, right? So have your levels set. When you want to swing trade, right, you want to have your levels set, but when you want to do a safer investment, you also then want to have your levels set. Have a profit taking zone, okay? High profile investment by Nancy Pelosi. So a former House Speaker, Nancy Pelosi, disclosed a purchase of 50 call options in Tempus AI, okay? And call options is a whole different topic that is not on Cash App. But what you can do is swing trade this stock, because you have a lot of potential of upside.